Welcome to this video where I will teach you how to make a Syngina model at home. Syngina model is something like this, and this is how we can simulate vaginal cavity, so we can teach the little girls how to use tampons, menstrual cup, and how do exactly they function within our body. So I've been using this model for my own purposes, but you don't have to have something so sophisticated and custom made. Making one at home is really easy. As you will see, it's really fast. So you don't need to buy something special. So in order to do a Syngina model or vaginal model, you start at the grocery shop, and here I bought a few bottles. Anything can go, the little ones. Everything is fine. You can buy. Everyone is good as long as you can see that the surface is smooth and it can be seen through the plastic. And there are two kinds of labels. So here I brought this to show you. This had a white label made from paper. So I managed with hot water to take off the label, but then the glue remains on the bottle, so it's not transparent. So you don't want that. You want to have a bottle like that. The fact that it's rectangular doesn't really matter. And you pour a little bit hot water here, and then you can peel the label very easily, and almost nothing remains, like this. And if this is not clean enough or transparent enough, you can use some nail polish to take the remains of the label from the bottle. Okay? So the next phase is to make a hole in this part. So I bought also a tube. So and with the tube I bought this this drill. The drill has to be smaller than the tube because the tube has to go in tightly. So you want to buy the drill size should be smaller than the tube. So we'll cut part of the tube, which is going to be our cervix. And now I'm gonna drill a hole at the bottom. So I can do it like this. I want to make it at the middle. Okay, now I don't want to have any edges, so I will continue drilling until all the edges are coming out, because I don't want the condom that we will be using later to tear. And let's see if the tube is entering. Yes, and it's entering exactly the way I want it. I want it to be tight, and so it will hold the condom very tightly. Okay, so now we can move to the next phase. This is a condom, any size. It doesn't really matter because we're gonna stretch it. So so you can use whatever brand. It doesn't really matter which one. and you can wash it so it won't be so oily. Try to buy a condom which is transparent as much as possible, so the girls can see how we demonstrate the liquids. I'm making very small hole at the edge, and the reason is I want this to fit on our tube very tightly, like this. Okay, so you see we have the condom is on the tube, and we insert it via the hole that we just made. And let me take out the cork, the cap, sorry. And so the condom has to be long enough that we can catch it from the other side, like this. Oops, okay. This can happen as well, so no worries. So we're simply gonna do that again. This time I'm gonna try that it won't release. Okay, so it went through. The condom is through the hole. And the most important thing about this part is that the condom should not be teared, because we're gonna run fluid along this later on, and we don't want the fluid to go out. Okay, so this is it. The next phase in building the Singina model is doing a hole in this part, in the cup. So I'll start the hole the same way as before. And here you can take scissors or this kind of thing, whatever you feel more comfortable with. And we want to make the hole as big as possible, but remaining the the screw, the part the part that can screw on the bottle. Okay, so now you take the condom, you stretch it, don't put too much force, because we don't want to test the ability of this to hold, and I'm turning it a little bit clockwise, because when I screw the cup back, it will turn it back. So this way, you see I did it the wrong way, so I will unscrew, and then once again, I'm stretching it, I'm holding it on the body, on the bottle. And wait a second. This is starting to be a little bit embarrassing. Okay. And now we have it. This is our Singina model, you see? It didn't take long. If you want to clean the bottle and make it more clear, so before you take it to class, that's fine. You can also add at this side a little bit glue to make sure that it won't fall off. And now in order to demonstrate how a tampon works, you take a tampon, you insert it inside. This is quite, it will be hard to do it with only one hand, but I'll try. So this is an applicator tampon. You can also give the girls, the students, to try it themselves. Okay, like this. And the string remain outside, like in the real body, and the tampon remains inside the vaginal cavity. And here I prepared some red liquid, and you start pouring it via the cervical model. And you can either hold the cervical model, the vaginal model in the body. When we are starting, it's about this. It's at 45 degrees. And so we start, let's, like this. So we start putting liquid as if it was the body, and I hope you can see it. The tampon starts observing the red liquid, and it's becoming, wait, let's try to, yeah, okay, so more and more is being observed by the tampon, and then at a certain point it will start leaking, as it started leaking now, which is the same happening in the body. So that's the time to take the tampon out, so you can pull it out and you can demonstrate how the tampon looks when it's full. The same demonstration can be done for the menstrual cup. So here you want to demonstrate to the girls how you fold the menstrual cup. So there are a few folds like this. This is one, this is the other. So for this model, the best that works is with this folding, just because the model, it's difficult to insert it otherwise. And you can see how it opens up, and once again we can insert more liquid and show how the cups collects the vaginal secretion. So we have here a little bit of bubble, and then once again we can, after we demonstrate, we take it out. And this is how you can demonstrate the vaginal model. And good luck, and thanks for watching. Bye.